Good morning, students. Today we are starting chapter 2, that is relation and function. We will discuss its basics plus exercise 2.1. The first topic is Cartesian product. Let us take two non-empty set P and Q. Then the Cartesian product P cross Q. P cross Q is the set of all order pairs of elements from P and Q. Means अगर हमारे पास P और Q दो नॉन एम्प्टी सेट है then their Cartesian product will be equal to a set containing order pair. Order pair means जैसे आपने कोऑर्डिनेट में पढ़ा था 2 3 in small bracket, that is PQ in small bracket, this is called order pair. अगर एक ब्रैकेट में दो एलिमेंट्स को लिख दिया जाए कॉमा लगा के तो that is called order pair. So P cross Q is equal to PQ, where P then first element P that means belong to the first set P, आगे वाले सेट को बिलोंग करेगा, एंड Q belongs to Q, पीछे वाले सेट को बिलोंग्स करेगा. Let us take an example. Let us take one non-empty set A equal to 1 2 3 and second set as A comma B. Then can you find A cross B? Yes, very easily. One order pair with A, then one with B, then two with A, two with B, three with A and three with B. So this is the Cartesian product of A cross B. Now if we find a B cross A, then first element from B means A उल्टा हो जाएगा, A1 A2 A3, then B1 B2 and B3. Are A cross B equal to B cross A? No. A cross B not equal to B cross A. Here I am giving you some remark. In first remark, to find the number of elements in A cross B, Cartesian product of A and B, then it will be equal to the number of elements present in set A multiply number of elements present in set B. For example, here we see that A has 3 elements and B has 2 elements. Then what are the number of A cross B? This is equal to number of elements A. How many are there? 3. And now what are the number of elements in set B? This is 2. So 3 2 ja 6. Here we can count also. A cross B 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 elements are present. In second remarks, two order pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and second elements are also equal. Means this is first order pair, this is second order pair. Are these two order pairs are equal? Yes. Why? Because first element is equal to the first element and second element is equal to the second element. So this is the condition when two order pairs are equal. Now third remark, if A and B are non-empty set and either A or B is one infinite set, मीन्स अगर ए और बी दोनों नॉन एम्प्टी सेट है और ए और बी में से कोई सा भी एक इनफाइनाइट सेट है, देन ए क्रॉस बी इज ऑल्सो इनफाइनाइट सेट. फोर्थ, ए क्रॉस ए मीन्स we have to take A, B, C in one bracket where A, B, C all elements belong to the set A. Here A, B, C is called order triplet. जैसे जब दो होते हैं that is called order pair, और अगर तीन हो जाए तो हम बोलेंगे इसे order triplet. I am taking example. Find x and y if x plus 1, y plus 2 equal to 3 1 means this order pair is equal to the second order pair. We know that when two order pairs are equal, their first part equal to the first part. So x plus 1 equal to 3 and y plus 2 equal to 1. On solving, we get x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Taking one more example, if set A has elements 1, 2, 3, set B has element 3, 4, and set C has element 4, 5, 6, then find first A cross B intersection C, second A cross B intersection A cross C. So first part, A cross B intersection C. First write the elements of set A. This is 1, 2, 3, cross product. Write the B intersection C. Here we see that in B intersection C only 4 is common. Now write the Cartesian product. This is 1 with order pair, 1 with 4, 2 with 4, and 3 with 4. This is the A cross B intersection C. Similarly, second part, A cross B intersection A cross C. First write all or A cross B. This is 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 3, 2, 4, then 3, 3, 3, 4. This is A cross B. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. This is A cross B. Now intersection with A cross C. A cross C, this is 1 with 4, order pair 1, 5, order pair 1, 6, then order pair 2, 4, order pair 2, 5, order pair 2, 6, then order pair 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. So this is A cross B and this all is A cross C. Now find the intersection part. Here we see that 1, 4 is common. 2, 4 is common. And 3, 4 is common. So this is order pair 1, 4, 2, 4, and 3, 4. So this is the intersection of A cross B and A cross C. In next example, if P equal to set 1, 2, then find P cross P cross P. First of all, we will find P cross P. This is 1, 2 cross 1, 2. Find all the order pair. This is 1, 1, then 1, 2, then 2, 1, then 2, 2. This is P cross P. Now we have to find P cross P and again P. So this will be remain same. This is P cross P, remains all same. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Cartesian product with P. P is again 1, 2. Now make the Cartesian product. Here we see that 1, 1, 1. This is order triplet. अगर हम दो ऑर्डर पेयर इसका और इस ऑर्डर पेयर को इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, देन 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. पहला वाला पूरा हो गया. अब दूसरे वाले के लिए 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, देन 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Similarly 2, 1, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Last 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2, 2. So this is all order triplets. So it's a very important question. So dear students, on this basics and given example, you will complete exercise 2.1 from question 1 to question number 5.